This number costs 330 naira. Right over here, you can see that you can use this mobile number for branded survey and many other surveys on this platform. Majorly, a lot of people want to invest on this online survey, but when they notice that foreign numbers are involved, it becomes tiring for them. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can get all countries' numbers for surveys and also for WhatsApp verification and any kind of verification you want to use these foreign numbers for. And you'll be getting this mobile number for closely free, which is 330 naira to 400 naira. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can get started. Also do well to turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. I don't want to believe that you've not liked this video till now. Please do so and subscribe to this channel as you'll be getting a lot of value from this video. By the end of this video, I'll be revealing the name of this platform to you, so you will not want to miss any vital information from this video. So I'll advise you stick to this video from the very beginning to the end of this video, as every section in this video is very important. Right now, you can see that my available balance on this platform is 447 naira. Now, there are two major ways you can get mobile numbers from this platform. When you click on this Swift SMS, you can see that they have also the dynamic SMS. Okay, let me explain how this works. The Swift SMS is directly for the foreign numbers, actually for the United States specifically. Okay, so once you come over to the dynamic SMS, you can see that it has all countries all over the world. Okay, so right now you can see that we have the United States, Mexico, and also the United Kingdom on this particular platform. You can see various countries that are on this platform that you can actually go for. So for instance, if you want to get a particular foreign number for a survey site, you just have to come over to select country. So once you come over to select country, you can actually go for any of the countries you want to pick. You can actually click on United States, or you can actually go for the United Kingdom. So once you click on United Kingdom, it's going to show you this GB. Okay, don't worry, that's actually a significant figure of the United Kingdom. So you just have to come down to this service, then you can actually come down to this service and type what you want to use this particular number for. If it's for 5 survey, you just come down here and type 5 survey. Okay, so once you click on 5 survey, it's going to show you the amount this particular foreign number is going to cost. Right over here, you can see that the total cost for getting this 5 survey UK foreign number would cost you 540 naira. And right over here, you can see that my wallet actually has only 447 naira. If I have more than this on my account, this get number is going to be clickable for me to just click it and then get this particular number for my 5 survey. Okay, but before you go ahead getting a mobile number on this platform, you will need to fund your account. But before funding my account, let me now show you that you can also use this particular platform to get a WhatsApp number and get it verified on this platform. So what you just need to do is to come over to service. Okay, so once you click on service, you just have to come over here and type in WhatsApp. Okay, so once you tap on WhatsApp, it's going to show you the cost for WhatsApp. So if you want to get a UK mobile number for WhatsApp, it's going to cost you 2,430 naira. This price actually differs from country to country. So actually, the cost of foreign numbers on this platform depends on the particular country you're getting this number for. However, for instance, if you want to get any particular number on this particular platform, all you just need to do first is to go for which country you actually want that mobile number for. Okay, so right now I'm going to type the United Kingdom. So actually this is United Kingdom, and I actually want to get this mobile number for free cash. What am I going to do? All I just need to do is to come over to service. So once I come over to service, I just have to type in free cash. Okay, so once you type in free cash, this is actually free cash, and you'll be getting this mobile number for free cash for 270 naira. Okay, so I'm going to click on get right now. I don't actually need this number, and I'll be doing giveaway with this particular mobile number for number of times you actually saw the button subscribe on this particular video. Right now, this is actually the mobile number I got for free cash. So once you come over here, you can see that the country reads United Kingdom and the service is free cash, and the amount I actually got this mobile number is 270 naira. So once I click on pending right now, it's going to bring out this mobile number for me. You can see that the code has not been sent to me. So what I just need to do is to copy this mobile number and head over to free cash and insert this mobile number wherever I want to input it. Then if they are asking for a code, then I come back here to copy this code. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be using this mobile number as a giveaway. Just comment the number of times you saw the subscribe button on this particular video. And so if you have any issue receiving a verification code on this platform, you can actually go through this to understand what to do next to get your verification code on this platform. Right now, let me walk you through on how to fund your wallet before showing you how to register on this platform. Once you come over to your dashboard, you just have to see this fund wallet. then click on Fund Wallet. You can actually fund your wallet using the Paystack, the Flutterwave, or the Swag, but I would advise you use the Flutterwave to fund your account on this platform. All you just need to do is to come over to Flutterwave, so you can actually see that the minimum funding on this platform is 500 naira. So what you just need to do is to come over to this amount section, then input 500 naira, then click on submit. So once you click on submit, an interface is going to be displayed to you to continue your payment on this platform. You just have to click on verify you are a human. Okay, so it's going to load out the next page for you to continue your transaction on this platform. So once you've actually gotten to this interface, you just have to click on pay with transfer. Okay, so once you click on pay with transfer, you just have to come over here, then copy this account number and head over to your mobile banking app. So once you've gone over to your mobile banking app, you just have to send the particular amount of funds you want to receive on this platform. And once that is done, you come down here and click on I have sent this money, and automatically this money is going to reflect on your dashboard. That is how simple you can actually fund your wallet on this platform. Let me quickly let you know that you can actually rent a number on this platform. Once you click on rent number, you actually select the United States or any country you want to go for. So once you select the United Kingdom, you can actually see that the duration for this renting number is 30 days, and this is actually for 22,000 naira. So in case you are interested in renting a number on this platform, you can actually go over to the rent option and rent a number for 30 days on this platform. In case you find anything confusing on this platform, you can actually come down here and you see watch tutorial, and watch the tutorial on how to use their rental service on this platform. So right now, let me go ahead to show you how you can register on this platform. So once you click the first link below the description of this video, it's going to take you over to my Telegram channel, where you will find this link for you to set up an account on this platform. So once you head over to the link, you just have to click on register. So once you click on register, you're just going to come down here, input a username, enter an email address, then come down here and input a mobile number, and also enter a password. Like I recommend, always use a password that you always remember. Then come down here and click on sign up. Then automatically you already created an account for yourself. And so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching to this point. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I'll be uploading any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the links down there in the video description. See you on my next video.